What's going on, Chad? I'm back with another trade recap. Today is October 16th. It is a Thursday, and today was sort of a devastating day. I'm not down today, but it's because the best setup I've ever seen, the best setup I've seen in months easily. I got break even on it, and then it ran straight to TP, so a little bit annoying, but at least I didn't revenge trade and lose, so not the worst day. At least I'm not down. At least I follow my rules. At least I took a good setup and logged off, so yeah. Coming into today, I was bullish. We had, what the hell? We were trending towards this hourly high, so this high was the obvious draw on liquidity here. And then we also had data lows with equal lows that are far apart. If you don't know, equal lows this far apart have 100% hit rate, not actually, but they are insanely strong draw on liquidity, and data lows are an insane strong draw on liquidity. So here was a win-win situation because it's either, what time is this? No, okay. Because coming into market open, it's either we go up to the high time frame draw on liquidity and then get a short targeting the best draw on liquidity you've ever seen, data lows and equal lows, or we go down at market open, sweeping the best draw on liquidity, and then get a reaction off that targeting the high time frame draw on liquidity. So it was a win-win situation here. And then yeah, let's see what market open did. Boom, we pumped up, but we did not hit the hourly high yet, so I'm off my hands unless we hit the hourly high or we hit these datas. Boom, we finally pump up right as we hit the hourly high. I'm looking for any reason to short. I noticed we got a juicy 2 minute that we inversed in one single candle. This is the momentum that I love to see. This is an A plus 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 light bulb setup right here. 2 minute inverse in literally one huge candle. This was the entry. TP was the data low and equal lows. And then chat, you there? And then yeah, let's see what happened. This was my entry. Boom. Boom. Once we inverse this final 1 minute, there was nothing holding us back. So I scaled in one contract here. It like barely lowered my position. My position might have been lowered to like here because my fill was good. I scaled in a little there, and then break even was here, and then as you can see, we come up and hit my break even point, man. I was so confident this was gonna work, dude. Like, you could just imagine, dude, like this candle was so close to hitting TP. I already saw the profit in my account. I already, like, but we just come up for no reason and then hit my break even and then ran to TP. So it would have been a win if I did not move break even. But I'm not gonna lie, as much as I'd like to be mad about this break even, I'm happy about it because like this PA is not PA you want to be in. There should be no reason that we go right next to data lows, then stop and go up randomly. So this is just not PA I want to be in. Although it did work. And I do have a rule that if data lows and equal lows, if I'm targeting data lows, equal lows, or low resistance liquidity, um, if I'm targeting one of those, then I don't need to move break even. But I made the rational decision to move break even here because I just did not like how we react off this low. And if it's good PA, we should just go straight to TP. And I could have easily gotten chopped up. We could have easily wicked up higher and stopped me out, then went. So I'm fine with this break even if I'm being honest. I usually would be mad, but I'm fine with this. And yeah, I was really just hoping we would get a re-entry. I was really just hoping we'd like go up, get a nice 30-second short here, but we didn't. So yeah, that's about it. That was the only trade. I also sized. I risked like, well, after the scaling, I think I risked like 720 or something. So I would have made back like easily my last two losses because that was just an A plus light bulb. Like, I have so much conviction in that trade. So yeah, size heavy and got break even. So pretty unfortunate. This week was honestly a decent, it was a good week. It was definitely a good week. This was like a summer PA week. Yeah, summer PA was pretty good. Yeah, this was like a summer PA week, but I am unfortunately break even. It's better than being down, I guess. I definitely could have caught a win yesterday. Definitely could have caught a win the day before that, but I didn't. So it's a little frustrating. But I'm not mad about it because I back test. I know my model. I know, like, this is my model that I back tested 100 times. I'm not kidding. 100 times. This exact model is what I back tested 100 times. So I have so much conviction in this, and I just gotta keep being patient because the next time the setup's gonna work, and I'm a bank because I'm a full port it, not actually, but I'm a risk heavy on a trade like this because I know yes I win rate. So yeah, man, just gotta be patient. If I didn't backtest, I honestly would not have any conviction at all in my trading because I see people like Dodgy. Literally every trader that's on TikTok or social media has been winning this week or like last week or the week before that. Everyone's just been winning, but I've just been break even or losing. But I know because I personally backtested, so I know my how I trade, how my strategy is that it works. I just gotta stay patient and wait for it to come. Yeah, because I see people like Dodgy taking two losses and then taking a third trade and winning. So I'm like, should I take a trade after I lose? Should I take a trade after I take two losses? But no, when I back test, I take one trade a day and that's it, and it does well. So there's no need to do too much. So I think that's gonna wrap up the video. Low key, nothing really happened. There's a couple pattern trade longs, nothing. And there was zero anything that was clean about this. Like, I can't believe these pattern trade longs work, man. But and this perfect A plus short doesn't, man. Why? But yeah. I think that's gonna wrap up the video. If you made it to the end, comment break even, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out. I'll probably upload a backtesting video today because I got nothing else to do. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.